So this is what happens when you let me alone in the farm store. Apparently in New York, they can only sell 6 chickens or ducks at a time. I should say minimally 6. You know, I don't know if it's true or not, but the guy in the store told me they were only allowed to sell 6 or more. And they had 8 baby Pekin ducklings left. So he conned me into buying all 8, because he said that if he sells me the 6 required by the state, he'd have 2 left and he'd be unable to sell them, and their demise would be horrible. And so yeah, he got me. So today, the 20th of March 2022, I bought 8 Pekin ducklings, and the wife is ecstatic. So we'll see how this works out. They are cute though.